And staying with the fallout of the RG Kar horror, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting a piece of breaking news where doctors in West Bengal have now placed certain demands before the state government. If the government executes those demands by tomorrow, by 5 p.m., then they will think of going back to work. The doctors plan to march to the Bengal Health Department tomorrow. So that is the ultimatum that has been set by the protesting doctors in West Bengal. It's been 1 month since the horror at the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, and doctors plan to march to the West Bengal Health Department tomorrow. They have set the deadline of 5 p.m. for the Mamata Banerjee government to fulfill their demands. And if those demands are not fulfilled, they will not return back to work. This comes after the Supreme Court's appeal to the protesting doctors to return back to work. That is the big piece of breaking news that's coming in from West Bengal, where doctors are now upping the ante against the Mamata Banerjee government. They have now placed certain demands in front of the state government. If the government executes those demands by tomorrow, the deadline is 5 p.m., they will think of going back to work. The doctors plan to march to the health department tomorrow. To get more details, I'm joined by my colleague Kamalka Sen Gupta, who's been tracking all the developments from Kolkata. Kamalka, over to you.
See, one thing is very clear, that the doctors are firm that they are going to continue the siege work, because they have placed certain demands which were there, like, the suspension, the disciplinary action against Sandeep Ghosh, the DME should resign, the health secretary should resign, police commissioner, all those clauses are there. If they are met within 5 o'clock, then they will think. So we'll have to really see that what happens, what the government does on this. And from 12 o'clock tomorrow, they are again going to march to Health Bhavan, that means the Swast Bhavan, demanding all these things, a big march by doctors that they have declared. So now that is the main thing. That they are right now, they have said that they are very much unhappy with the Supreme Court, whatever happened in Supreme Court today, because they were not CBI, what CBI is doing, what is happening in the investigation, they are unable to know anything. On the top of that, the threat syndicate which was there, they have to be removed from the system. Those all demands are there of the doctor. How much that the government will able to meet by tomorrow 5 p.m., that's also a big question. So if that is not met, they are going to continue with siege work. That is clear.
Right. So the doctors refusing to back down, setting that 5 p.m. deadline for the Mamata Banerjee government, who has hit back at both the left and the BJP, claiming that the entire agitation is a conspiracy to destabilize her government. Thank you, Kamalka, for getting us that piece of breaking news. So the twists and turns continue in the RG Kar rape and murder investigation, but the anger on the streets refuses to die down. We're shifting focus, ladies and gentlemen, to our top international story. In the race for the White House, the first presidential debate between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump kicks off tomorrow on the 10th of September. It is a big test for Kamala Harris, who has united the Democrat camp behind her after Joe Biden's exit. Now, it is also a major opportunity for Donald Trump to turn the